friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial number 97. As you can see that I have already converted this isometric drawing into the 3D model, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part from scratch. So I will close this file and show you from the scratch. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I have activated the part design workbench, and from here we will insert a body, and on our origin plane, and if we look at our model, so we will create our base profile on a front plane. So we will select this XZ plane and click on the sketch and of the origin plane, and now we will select the polyline tool and create a rough profile, and now we will give the dimensions. Select this line and give the dimension of 120, and then move it and select this line and provide the horizontal dimension of 90 mm. Now we will give the radius. Now select a vertical dimension, and this radius is of 25, and this one is of 14. So our sketch is fully constrained, and now I will move it. Now I will close it, and now we will use the revolve tool. So click on the revolve icon, and here select reference, and we wanted to revolve it around x-axis. So we will select this x-axis and click on OK. So we have created the base profile, and now we will do the material removal operations. So press 0, and here we will remove the material. So we will on our plane and select this mid plane, which is again front plane, and click on the sketch and off the plane, and from here we will switch to the wireframe view, and we will click on the project geometry and project this outer edge, and we will create a rectangle, and now we will provide the dimension of 85, and this point to this point we will select a vertical dimension and provide the 11 mm, and I will select this line and provide the vertical dimensions, let's say 30. Now I move the dimensions, and now we will exit from the sketch, press V7 for the shaded view, and now select the sketch and click on Extrude Cut, and we will here say 2 dimensions, and we will provide a larger value of 60 mm on both the side, so that it completely remove the material, and click on OK. And now we will mirror this cut on the other side. So for this we will select this pocket and click on the mirror icon, and from here we will click on the select reference and we will select this plane and click on OK. So our cut got mirror on the other side. Now we will create a tangent plane here. So for this we have the diameter of a 28 and we will on our plane and we will select this plane and click on the datum plane, and in a Z direction I will provide the value 40 mm and click on OK. And here is a blue tick, so press F5 for refresh it. Now select the datum plane and click on the sketch, and here first we will create a slot. So once we are in a sketch we do not require the datum plane, so we will hide it and we will click on the project geometry to project this edge, and here I will simply create a rectangle and I will delete this line, and I will provide the symmetricity constraint to this point. So select the symmetricity constraint, select this point and this axis, and here I will create a 3-point arc and provide the tangency, and now I will select a horizontal dimension and provide this dimension 25, and select the vertical dimension and provide this value of 8 mm here and click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric and I move this dimension for the better visibility. So this is a 25 by 8 slot. Now we will come out of the sketch and select the sketch and go with Extrude Cut, and from here select True All. So this 8 mm slot is of a through all slot, and now we will again on the datum plane and select this datum plane and click on the sketch, hide it, and now we will again click on the project geometry and project these two edges, and here I again create a rectangle, and again we will make this point symmetric. Select this point and this axis, and I will delete this line, and first thing I will give the vertical dimension of 13 mm and select a 3-point arc and create a arc and add the tangency, tangent, and select horizontal dimension and provide it a dimension of 25, and now we will close it, and now select the sketch, click on Extrude Cut and provide the cut of 9 mm, click on OK. Now we will again mirror it on the other side, so select the mirror and select a reference and select this mid plane, click on OK. So now this cut is got mirror on the other side. Now we will move to the next feature, which is to create these 4 holes. So we can make this hole with a hole wizard tool, but it is a simple hole of dia 14, so I will make it with a sketch. So I will select the face and click on the sketch, and I switch to the isometric. So first thing I will switch to the right orientation, and here first thing I will do is create a rectangle and make it construction, and now select the symmetricity and make this 2-point symmetric, and position is of 15 mm. So I will select this point and this point and provide the 15 mm, and this is the 22, and hole to hole is of 35. Select this and provide the horizontal dimension of 35. So this is a construction circle, and now we will create a 4 circle at 4 points of a rectangle. This construction circle is not necessary, it depends upon your modeling practice. So this is of a 14 mm, so we will provide one of the circle 14 mm dimension, and I will press the control key and select all the construction circle and provide the equal constraint. And now we have out of the sketch, select the sketch, click on Extrude Cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now here is a fillet of R3, so we will select this edge and click on the fillet and provide the fillet of R3, click on OK. So you can see that we have made all the features of this part, and we have successfully converted this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of part design workbench. Now we will provide the green color to our part, so we will select the last features and go to the appearances, and we will select the shape color, and from here we will select the green color, and I will adjust color with respect to our image, click on close. So more or less this is exact green color, and this completes our tutorial, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. And this tutorial is designed for the beginner user of FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the part modeling. And if you have liked this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.